Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical 1 based on passive filters. Here is the given question. Identify type of filter of the given circuit. So this is the given circuit and we have to identify which type of circuit it is. It is low pass, high pass or band reject filter. So first, we will understand the property of inductor and capacitor at omega is equal to 0 and at omega is equal to infinity. So, for inductor, first we will check, and we have discussed earlier also. At omega is equal to 0, XL will be equal to omega L. So, XL will be equal to 0. So, inductor will be represented as short circuit at omega is equal to 0. And at omega is equal to infinity, XL will be equal to infinity into L, so it will be equal to infinity. So inductor will be represented at open circuit at omega is equal to infinity, and vice versa for capacitor, that capacitor will be represented as open circuit at omega is equal to 0 and short circuit at omega is equal to infinity. We can calculate that by xc. We know that 1 upon omega c. So when we will put omega is equal to 0, so xc will become 1 upon 0 into c, and that will become infinity. So at omega equal to 0, it has an impedance of infinity, so it will be represented as open circuit. And omega is equal to infinity, xc is equal to 1 upon omega c, that means 1 upon infinity into c, and that will be equal to 0. So xc will be 0, hence at omega is equal to infinity, it will be represented by short circuit. Before solving any question, we must have this idea about inductor and capacitor at omega is equal to 0 and at omega is equal to infinite. At omega is equal to 0, we know that inductor will be short circuited and capacitor will be open circuited. So we'll have this circuit. This is R2 and this is R1, and this will be open circuit, and this is R3 plus minus Vi and plus minus V naught. So V naught will be equal to something in terms of Vi. So we can say that it is passing the signal. Here we can write in terms of R1, R2 and R3. Let us make a coefficient alpha, beta, gamma, anything. The main thing is we are getting output here at omega is equal to 0, and at omega is equal to infinity, we can draw the circuit like this. Inductor will be open circuited, this resistor, and this capacitor will be short circuit, and this is resistor. Now this is our given circuit at omega is equal to infinite. The value corresponding R1, R2 and R3. So if we will see, there will be no current in R2, so we can redraw the circuit. This will be R1 and this is capacitor branch and this is R3. So this is plus minus Vi and this is plus minus V naught. From here we can see that all the current will flow from this short circuit and there will be no current in R3. If there is no current in R3, then directly V naught will be equal to the voltage across the short circuit, that is V naught will be equal to 0. Hence we see that at omega is equal to 0, we are getting the signal we are getting the output, and at omega is equal to infinite we are not getting any output. So this is low pass filter. This is answer is this is low pass filter. So here this is all about this question. Thank you.